We've all been there. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that paycheck you earned feels miles away. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before your official payday? That's where DailyPay comes in. It's a service offered by some employers that allows you to transfer a portion of your earned wages to your bank account before your scheduled payday. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But if you're considering using DailyPay, you're probably wondering, how long does it actually take to kick in? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about DailyPay and how long it takes to access your earned wages. We'll cover things like how DailyPay works, how quickly your available balance updates, factors that can affect DailyPay transfer speeds, alternatives to DailyPay. So, whether you're curious about DailyPay or just looking for ways to manage your cash flow better, this video is for you. Let's dive in. How DailyPay works. Imagine this, you work a shift on Monday. With DailyPay, your employer electronically transmits your hours worked to the DailyPay app. The app then calculates your earned wages based on those hours and your pay rate. This amount becomes your available balance in the DailyPay app. Here's the key. You don't have to wait until payday to access this available balance. DailyPay allows you to transfer a portion of it to your bank account early. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected expenses or just a way to get a head start on your bills. How quickly does my available balance update? DailyPay is pretty good about keeping your available balance up to date. In most cases, your balance will update 3 times a day: morning, afternoon, and night. This reflects the hours you've worked and your current pay rate. However, there's a catch. It typically takes 24 hours for your employer to transmit your hours worked to DailyPay. So, if you work a shift on Monday, your available balance might not reflect those hours until Tuesday. There can also be occasional delays, and it could take up to 3 business days for your worked shift to be reported. Here's a quick tip. Check with your employer's HR department to see how often they update DailyPay with your work hours. Transferring your money. Speed it up or save a buck. Once you have an available balance in DailyPay, you can transfer it to your bank account. DailyPay offers 2 transfer speeds. Instant transfer. This gets your money to you as soon as possible, but it comes with a small fee. Standard transfer, 1 to 3 business days. This option is free, but you'll have to wait a bit longer to access your cash. The best option for you depends on your needs. If you need the money right away, the instant transfer might be worth the fee. But if you can wait a few days, the standard transfer is the more budget-friendly option. Here's another thing to consider. Some banks might also take an additional 1 to 2 business days to process the transfer into your account. A few things can affect how quickly you can access your DailyPay funds. Employer payroll schedule. DailyPay doesn't have control over your employer's regular payday schedule. So, even if your available balance reflects all your earned wages, you might still have to wait until your official payday to access the remaining amount that wasn't transferred through DailyPay. Bank processing times. As mentioned before, some banks take an extra 1 to 2 business days to process transfers from DailyPay into your account. Here's a pro tip. Contact your bank to find out their typical processing times for ACH transfers, which is the method DailyPay uses. DailyPay isn't your only option. While DailyPay is a convenient service, it's not the only way to manage your cash flow between paychecks. Here are a few alternatives. Budgeting apps. There are many budgeting apps available that can help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and avoid overspending. Side hustles. Consider picking up a side hustle to bring in some extra cash in between paychecks. This could be anything from freelance work to online gigs. Negotiate a pay advance. Talk to your HR department about the possibility of getting a pay advance. This isn't always an option, but it's worth exploring. Remember, DailyPay isn't meant to replace your entire paycheck. It's a way to access a portion of your earned wages in advance. Always be sure to budget responsibly and leave enough funds in your DailyPay account to cover your remaining paycheck on your regular payday. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.